Hey, Gretchen Yui here. Welcome back to my channel. This video is about how to use the LifeWave X49 patch, one of my favorites. Before we get into exactly how to use it, I do want to share with you the language that LifeWave Corporation provides to us as brand partners to share publicly, such as here on YouTube with our viewers and friends who are just starting to get acquainted with the products. And so here it is. Embark on a transformative journey with X49, dedicated to elevating performance, accelerating recovery, and nurturing relaxation. Now is the time to redefine your prime. Promotes performance, strength, and stamina. Supports maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system through exercise. Reduce recovery time following exercise. Supports maintaining a healthy weight through diet and exercise programs. No drugs, no chemicals, no stimulants. Patented proprietary form of phototherapy, intended for human use only. Okay, let's get on to exactly how do we use the X49 patch. All right, so here to the left-hand side, you'll see the front of the pamphlet that comes along with these products in the mail to you. And it'll say LifeWave X49 instructions. This instruction booklet will have many pages only because it has multiple languages included in it. So the very first inside page, which is considered page 2, has the English instructions, and they read as follows. Place one LifeWave X49 patch on the body using one of the locations shown on page 7. We'll get to that in a second. Apply the patch to clean, dry skin in the morning. Patches may be worn up to 12 hours before discarding. So we say 12 hours on, 12 hours off. Keep well hydrated while using this product, and I recommend staying well hydrated with water. And it is important you take this off before bed so you allow your body 12 hours of rest from these light frequencies that are coming out of this patch. That is very important. So on to page 7, the recommended locations. One of those locations is at the base of the neck. So if you bring your chin down to your chest, on the back of your neck, there will be a bone that pops out there. And that is where this point is. And then the other point is just directly below the belly button. So you would use this by putting, and you just peel off the paper backing and put it on. This would be the first day. This could be the second day, or you could start with this point on the first day and do this on the second day. But the idea is to alternate back and forth between these locations. And that's really all there is to it. It's very, very simple. And I do want to mention that below in the description, please look for my email address. If you have questions or want my help being your sponsor, I would be delighted to hear from you. Also, if you thought this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Each week, I'll be coming out with more things, all LifeWave related, and I would love for you to follow me on this journey. So, thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.